And how's it going, guys? It's 7 Tech here, and today this is my vlogging setup for the new channel I'm going to be starting real soon, so you want to stay tuned for that one. But I just wanted to go through my tech gear for this year 2020. So if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. With that being said, I'm 7 Tech, and let's get into this video. Now, the ultimate vlogging setup. Now, there's a few items missing from this ultimate vlogging setup, which I'll mention as we go along. But let's start off with the most simplest of things. Now, the first one is the selfie stick, which I've explained in the previous video. Is a selfie stick with a 1/4-20-inch thread that allows you to change between a DSLR and a smartphone mount, which is something that I really liked, and a full review will be coming up soon, so stay tuned for that one. And yeah, this is one in my long list of kit. So number 2, let's get into the cable. Now this is a TRS to TRRS cable that allows me to use a smartphone and this shotgun microphone, which I'll explain once I get the shotgun microphone in, which is something that I like, that it came inside the box. I didn't have to buy it separately when I got this actual cable. So that's number 2. Now heading into the shotgun microphone. Now this shotgun microphone, it has a dead cat in it. I'll just remove the dead cat quickly. Hopefully I can with my 2 hands. It's coming. So now here's the microphone. The microphone is a Voyager MM1 shotgun microphone, which allows you to record outside. Directional microphone, which can only take in the direction it's facing at. So if it's facing this way, this is where it will take the audio from. If it's facing behind, it will take the audio from behind, which is something that you need to be cognizant, be in mind of when you're buying this actual directional microphone. And once you slap on this dead cat, aka windsock, it'll allow you to use it outside without any wind noises and stuff like that, and background noises. It eliminates most of those background noises when you're outside, which I was really excited when I got this actual dead cat and the microphone at Takealot. Now my number 3 is this Voyager lab mic. Now for those of you that don't know, lab mics are very important when you're doing voiceovers, when you're doing interviews. But this lab mic is only a lab mic with one output mic, which is something that if you're doing an interview, you need to buy the one with the 2 mic outputs rather than the one, because now if you chopping and changing from you and the interviewee, it will be much of a hassle for you to take it out, and there'll also be noise and stuff like that. But if you're planning on just recording yourself, voiceovers, video, bettering your audio on your videos, this is the greatest mic that you can get. It's entry level, it's not really the greatest, but it gets the job done. So in your ultimate setup, this is really needed. This one is from Apple. Now I did not want to include this, but I just had to include it because these earphones slash mic really help me in the audio right now when I'm outside, when I'm doing videos outside the box, and they're pretty good, to be honest. They got decent sound. It's not the greatest, but they really get the job done. The company that made these are really a good company, and Apple sometimes takes the credit for something that other companies do. And this one is to hold the shotgun microphone, which is very self-explanatory. And once you have a phone mount, you can mount it onto your phone very quick and very easy. It's quite simple like that. And that's one of the missing pieces, is a proper phone mount with a cold shoe at the top, which I'll explain right now when I get into the next item. Now the last item that I have, these are two items in one. I'm using it right now to vlog for the new channel. So this is a phone mount. Now this phone mount unfortunately doesn't have a cold shoe adapter, so I can't use these products right now. But what I like is this is the Voyager, T200 Flex tripod. That's the original name of it. Everything will be in the description box below, so if you want to get yourself a hold of these products, you can get them in the link in the description below. So what I've done here is I've mounted it to this tripod, and this is how it looks like. I'll put my phone there, which I'll show you guys some b-roll. Now relatively the build quality is quite great. I really enjoy it. Now this does come off a little bit when you twist it too much, but it's not something that's a deal breaker. You can just pop it back in. That's how Gorilla Pods work anyway. And this is my vlogging setup for 2020, and some of them I'll use it for the tech channel, and so stay tuned for most of these, and you'll hear the audio quality from all of these once I'm using them all at once, and I'll let you guys know once that happens. Anyway, this has been Tech. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification to stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. With that being said, I'm 7 Tech, and I'll see you guys in the next one.